Hello, cadets. I want to take a minute to go over your assignment for Thursday as well as on Friday, which pertains to how to conduct a meeting. This is going to be a very fun class for you because it's really going to highlight the key elements that, as a group, the meeting should be conducted as far as everybody's responsibility and roles. So when you start talking about things such as what is the facilitator's role, what is the recorder's role, what are the opening questions that should be asked whenever you conduct a meeting, these are the things that are going to really help you as you go forward. These meetings should be conducted in this manner, not just for a staff call, but also for maybe a team leader or squad leader meeting. And you'll see that as we develop this and you go forward with your future projects in the class, it's really going to help the management of the overall session. The first part that I'm going to do is that I'm going to issue out a paper that has a scenario in it. It's going to have an effective meeting that has Cadet Allsberger on there. I've numbered it 1 to 10. After you read that scenario, I want you to think about all of the things that you experience, even though you're not a squad leader per se, that you've been involved with a meeting that you've seen absolutely went wrong, such as the person was taking too long with the meeting, someone tried to take over the meeting, the actual information wasn't valid for the meeting. I want you to write down all of those key elements pertaining to what you experienced so far here at Oak Ridge Military Academy when it comes to a meeting. And that's going to be on page 46. Next, the second half of your class, the last 30 minutes of your class, you're going to be broken down into teams. First period, you're just going to be one team. Second period, obviously, you're going to be broken down into your team in itself. Third period, you'll be one team, one group. Fourth period, you'll be two groups. Fifth period, you'll be three groups. And seventh period, you'll be two groups. I already have your papers assigned for it, so it won't be an issue at all. Next, as you receive your papers in these groups, there's going to be an assignment on it. Some of the assignments that you look forward to hearing is that the Oak Ridge Military Academy marker adjacent to the soccer field needs a makeover. You're going to have to form a meeting and determine what method, in accordance with the timeline, that you can achieve that task of having a makeover for the marker. You may see the military ball. You're going to have a meeting to determine what is needed to have an effective military ball for the spring of 2022. Or you may see a cadet challenge or perhaps a junior ring dance. So these are the type of meetings that you're going to have to facilitate. You need to go all the way from A to Z and be prepared to break it down on paper as far as what is required to make that event successful. Again, you're going to be working on this on Thursday and Friday, as well as when you come back from your first fall break. I'm really excited about this. I'm looking forward to see what you can do. If you have any questions pertaining to this assignment, you can always reach me at lcorley@oakridgemilitary.com, to where I will reply very quickly to you. And again, I'm looking forward to seeing you grow and develop and making sure that we're on the right path of conducting meetings as we go forward. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Take care and have an awesome fall break. Be safe, please. Thank you.